that's actually fitted into the case now. So this is just a standard multi-layer writer. I've also got this NZ XT fan controller. This is a 5 fan controller. Instructions pump. Not really much to see. 5 fan controller with a temperature probe, and it also gives the RPM of the fans. So we'll get these fitted. So this is why I left the side panels off. It's just to give easier access to both sides for screwing in the drives. Next thing is the front and the rear fans. Now there are 5 fan apertures on this case, all 80mm. So this is the fan I'm going to be using. It's by Sunbeam Tech, the same company that makes the case that I'm using. This is a quad LED red fan, which I don't want a lot of light bleed off this, so I'm actually going to paint the sides of this, so when it's in the case you'll only get light coming through the front, and you'll also get a little bit through the rear. But I'm going to fit these dust filters on all the fans, and I've also got a fan cover or a finger guard that's going to be fitted as well. So I'm going to take this away, get this masked up and painted. So because all I want to do is paint the sides, I've masked the front and back and the wiring. And what will happen now is I'll give it a coat of white paint and then a coat of blue, so it will match the parts in the case. So as you can see, we've got this painted now, and it's still got its tape on, so we'll just get this off. So as you can see, it's blue on the outside, but there's actually a white coat inside. Now this is going to help reflect the light back in, and if I'd have painted it straight blue, it'd have made the light coming out very dull. Giving it the white background will just help it reflect better. So I'm going to get this fitted into the case. You'll get a better idea once it's fitted and there's power to it. So before I fit it into the case, I need to fit this dust guard. Now, a word of caution, this clear plastic is very brittle, so when you're screwing into it, be very careful. It is really easy to snap this stuff. So we've got that fitted okay, so time to get it into the case. So for the rear fan, I'm using one of these unlit fans, if I can get the bloody thing out. Which is a clear frame with a blue fan in it. You also get a little box that has a wire converter and 4 mount screws. So the setup is going to be basically the same as the front panel, with the dust filter and a finger guard. It's just not lit, this one. So I'll get this put together and put into the machine. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you next time.